Hey everyone, we're here today with a really special car, 1983 Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit. This car has 99,000 miles on the clock, tremendous service history from the best and brightest Bentley and Rolls-Royce specialists in the world. Rare color, color-matched interior with the lamb's wool carpets and color-matched footrests. Giving you a video tour walk around so you know what this car looks like in person. All right. You'll notice all of the chrome is in really good shape. The door handles, the areas around the windows, front bumper, the all-important radiator and Flying Lady Spirit of Ecstasy mascot. So there we have it. All right, now I want to go into the service history on this car. So as we go past, you'll see there's the factory correct Avon Turbo Speed tires for this car. We'll open the boot, or the trunk as we like to say in America, where I'm from. And here you go, just loads and loads of service history. So you can see we got the car from Silver Lady. They are probably the #1 Bentley Rolls-Royce specialist in the world. They're trained at the factory. They work on the best and most expensive collector cars in the world. And you couldn't ask for someone, for the car to come from a better source. You really couldn't. All right, so let's look at the recent services. We've got a brake pipe there in May. In January this year, all the spark plugs, the rear brake spheres, that's excellent. Height control valve, awesome. All right, June of last year, new power steering rack, that's great. January of last year, there you go, full service. February 2014. Oh, we got some wind coming through here. Sorry about that. There you go. We've also had Harvey Wash, another prominent Rolls-Royce specialist based in Calverton, Essex. He's done a full report on the car and has serviced it. Oh, we've got papers flying out here. Hold on. We've got P&A Wood. They're actually now a main dealer. They were a famous specialist who evolved into a main dealer for both Bentley and Rolls-Royce. So we've got service histories from them. Another one from Harvey, full report at 89,000 miles. That's great. And I mean, there's just loads and loads of these receipts. So that's January 16. What is this? This is October 2012. All the new Windows switches, that was done. December 2010. Full gearbox flush, 97,000 miles. That's great. I mean, we've got loads of these. In October 2015, brand new air conditioning compressor, drive belts. There you go. I think this was the work receipt for it. Yeah, it's parts from Flying Spares. They're the #1 spare parts company for these cars in the world. So there you go. And there's just loads and loads of receipts. We could go on forever about it, but I think you've got the idea. Right, so we'll give that a close. What I was told is that this car was owned by a collector who had 2 of these, and they both pretty much were stored inside of shipping containers outside his office. So dry stored. We've got this Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association. You know, pilots are meticulous about their maintenance. Don't want any engine problems up in the air. You don't want any in your nice Rolls-Royce when you're on the ground. Okay, exterior cosmetic blemishes. Let's get into it. So there's this rust portion right here that you can see on that part of the windscreen, rear windscreen. Everything else pretty good. A little bit of bubbling there. Very common area. We've got some kind of a dull paint area. Kind of, yeah, you can see it right there where the lighting changes. See the reflection of the tree and see how it just goes dull right there. So you got that little patch Rear wheel arch, again, same kind of dull, kind of a crude cover up there on the arch. Let's walk around some more. You know, the pictures certainly aren't going to pick up everything. Little touch-up spot there, it looks like. Front looks excellent. Front arches look excellent as well. Yeah, your pillars here all look good. Rear arch, it's really your rear arches there. So you've got your rear arches and that dull spot here on the corner, right there. And then that rust spot on the bottom of the windscreen. It just starts kind of in that corner. The rest all looks really good. Okay. So that's that. On the inside of the car, very clean, very presentable. No rips or tears or holes, but you do have some minor wear, some alligatoring, as we say, of the leather, where you get to see the kind of the lines. You know, none of this, like I'm running my nails over it, nothing's catching. Excellent candidate for colorization, for colorizing, you know, getting a dye job, as they say. Door cards look good, all the chrome, good. Door caps, piano black, very rare. Little bit of cracking in the clear, which is very normal for cars of this age. Alright, let's go to the other side. Excellent. Got your fancy footrests there. And your Nokia car phone system. Beautiful piano black around the mirrors as well. This is the door cap here. It's a little bit of cracking there. Again, very normal. Alright. Open this up. Here's your door card. Got your ashtrays up here. You don't see those anymore. Lamb's wool carpets. These are expensive, color matched. We've got 3 out of the 4. We've got both front ones and 1 rear. I'm chasing down the previous owner to try and find that 4th one for you guys. There you go. Bolster looks very good. You've got the color matched piping here. Very nice. Again, that beautiful piano black dash. Bakelite steering wheel. Those last forever. They really don't wear. You've got your little toothbrushes for your headlamps. That's how you know you're really fancy. You're really rolling in it. Can't afford to have any unsightly bug juice on your headlamps. Alright. And now we've got our driver's door card. There you go. You can see some wear on the armrest there. There's your door caps. Alright. Driver's seat. There you go. And again, so I'm running my fingernails over this, you know, I'm pushing down on it. You can see it's not, you know, none of the stuffing's coming through. This just needs dye. That's really all it needs. And you would be shocked at how this will look brand new. I mean, it's really amazing if you've never seen the process. Essentially, it's kind of like they airbrush the seat, and it looks brand spanking new, and it's quite cheap. I mean, we have a guy who did one of our Silver Spirits. He did both front seats and the door cards for 150 pounds, and they looked awesome. All right. Let's pop the bonnet for you. There's your engine. Go around to the other side. Alright. Well, I'm running out of battery here. My iPad's yelling at me, so I've got to cut this video short. But I hope this gives you a good idea of what this car is like in person. And yeah, I'll see you next time with the next car. Take care, everyone.